Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery tray on our one-port dial hose end timers. This works with various models. You can see we've got the one here with the plastic connection. We've got the one here with a little bit lighter color green. We've got the brass connection. Works the same on all of these. Just note that this is on the one port. If you have anything that's got more than one port, it's going to take a different tray. And we'll do a video on that one as well that you can find here on the store. So, pretty simple. You just pull out the old tray. If you notice it's leaking or that there's any sort of ingress or that there's some corrosion on the terminals, better to just replace it. You'll get a new fresh O-ring, everything like that. So take the batteries out, put the batteries in the new tray, pop that in there, make sure it seats correctly, and you're set to go. And you can just then run it at that point. So that's how you do that. Super simple. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to help. Thanks.